cars in an match at the dust zone. Final these teams Island. Alright, trucks, let's show these cars crush it. Yeah, trucks rule, cars play. Monster truck, it's a turn, launching into two cars. Make it through the ring of fire. The team points win. Oh, my squad. Let's do this. Tiger Shark. RV, there yet. More speed, way too fast. Kid eye. Motion.
Stop.
You'll need to be faster than that. Who's next? Me. I got a problem. Demo Derby. Quad 220. Go big. Go Hot Wheels. Whammo! Demo Derby. Since the car's flying with take a bite out of the dyno with a 1-2 combo. Bring it on, we're not scared. Trucks lead 2-1. Hey, roar! Bone shaker neck. There's no way these cars can outstunt me. Bone shaker. Carbonator. Buns of steel.
Okay, keep going.
Bone shaker with a shakedown. He flies through the ring of fire like he's got a world to save.
Okay.
Hot toasted those buns extra crispy. Trucks lead 3-1. All right, Bigfoot, your turn. Stomp them out of here. Can't stop the stomp. Bigfoot. On the moon! Bigfoot and the cars launched into a direct hit for Mega Crush! 4-1! Nice try, little. We want a rematch. We'll get our revenge at the Monster Trucks Island games. Good luck. You're gonna need it. That's right, little cars. Let's send back to headquarters for an update. The Monster Trucks Island games are coming soon! Watch as Monster Trucks and Hot Wheels cars stop!
Why is it loading? This is stupid to me. Can we just...
Place and the legendary Titan Tire Stunt Zone! Now, back to the action! Let's see what Tiger Shark has up his sleeve today. Trucks must navigate crushed car jungle vines, then launch through the scary Tiger Shark jaws, and then skid across the beach into a splashdown finish. The monster truck that outlasts the rest wins the Titan Cup. And now for our first matchup. Shark. Shark Reek. a splashdown fish.
Fear the frenzy.
Motosaurus. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Uh-oh. Demo Derby Jungle Lines, giving Motosaurus a free ride to spike the finish.
That was dynamite.
Snake Bite. Bigfoot. Go big, go Hot Wheels. A photo finish. These rivals were never. Foot takes a forward to win by a tire. Can't the storm.
Oh my god, why is this happening to me? No, stop doing that to me. Me. I hate this charger so much.
Go big, go Hot Wheels. Wow! Bone Shaker muscles out Mega Rex before the bridge and into the semi-final.
It's not happening.
Looks like Mega Rex is sleeping with the shark teeth. Dash and smash! And we're on to round 2. Tiger Shark. Motosaurus.
I'm swimming my way into the final. I know the secret to winning here. Eat my spikes.
Go big, go Hot Wheels. What? Oh! Motosaurus has a clear lead, but bails out before the fish. Tiger Shark steals the win and moves on.
Never a doubt. Fear the frenzy.
Bigfoot. Bone Shaker. Question, do you know how to swim? Know how to win? See you on the track. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Ouch! Looks like Bone Shaker got snared by the shark bones, and Bigfoot stomps his way to the championship. I stomp him out of here. Well, it all comes down to this. Our finalists have conquered Tiger Shark's tricky slope, and their path to the Titan Cup is nearly complete. He's big, he's fast, and he's ready to stomp his foot into the Titan Cup. Give it up for the living legend, Bigfoot. He's chopped his way through competition and is ready for more. Fear the frenzy indeed. It's Tiger Shark. This may be your home track, but this is my Thai Cup.
No.
We'll see about that.
Stop.
Watch out for that extra row of shark teeth.
And we have a winner! Let's roll it back. We are tire to tire through the vines. But Bigfoot gets snagged up on the shark jaw and falls into the river canyon. Tiger Shark flips into Titan Cup history. Well, Tiger Shark, you really crushed it out there today. How'd you do it?
I sunk my teeth into the competition today. They weren't ready for my jungle lagoon.
If you can carry that momentum into Monster Truck Island games, the sky's